Welcome to our channel IL Education. Today we discuss the natural disasters. There is a number of natural disasters affecting Sri Lanka. Of them, here we study about the below mentioned natural disasters: cyclones, tsunami, wildfires, earthquakes are the affected for the Sri Lanka. Now we discuss cyclones. When the pressure of air at a certain place is in the atmosphere closer to the Earth's surface drops below the pressure around that place, a low pressure area is created. If the low pressure situation develops further, it becomes a depression. If situation develops further, it gives rise to a cyclone. Structure of the cyclones. In addition to the circulation, air rises up to the central part of the world of the cyclone. This upward movement of air gives rise to the cylindrical cloud wall. The central parts of the whirlwind is called the eye. Let's discuss the earthquakes. An earthquake is a jolt or shoulder-like movement of the Earth's surface. Less violent earthquakes are known as tremors. Earthquakes and earth tremors are caused by releasing of the energy stored in the Earth's crust. The Earth is composed of three main structures. They are crust, metal and core. The metal is divided by two parts. They are upper mantle and lower mantle. Core is divided by two parts. They are outer core and inner core. This is the external structure of the Earth. This is the map of tectonic plates. Now we discuss how tectonic plates move. It has been identified that there are three waves of movement of tectonic plates relative to one another at a boundaries. They are divergent border, convergent border and slip borders. Now we discuss divergent border. At the divergent borders, magma in the upper mantle rise up between two tectonic plates and therefore a new crust is created. Most of such tectonic plates borders are located in oceanic floor. Example for Mid-Atlantic Ridge. What is meant by convergent border? At this border, two tectonic plates collide and one plate moves underneath the other. Volcanoes erupt in the region in which these movements occur. Example for the St. Helens Mount. What is meant by slip borders? At this border, the two tectonic plates move away from one each while being in contact. Now we discuss tsunami. Incidents causing tsunami. Earthquakes occurring in the oceanic bed. Volcanic eruption in the ocean floor. Earthquakes in the ocean floor. Falling of the large meteorite to sea. These are the incidents causing tsunami. Now we discuss wildfires. There are three factors that should be met for a fire to break out: availability of combustible substances, availability of supporter of combustible or oxygen, heating the combustible substances to the ignition temperature. Several factors are affecting the spread of wildfires. Existence of dry plant leaves or tree stems as combustible substances. Prevalence of high temperature, low humidity, water vapor content in air, profuse supply of oxygen to the fire due to the blowing wind, slopy land that help upward spread of the fire. Natural disasters lesson is end. If you like our videos, please like and comment. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click the bell icon. Goodbye. See you again. This is an IL education towards the infinity of education.